Whenever we talk about energy transition, we must be cognizant of the fact that there are countries which are still grappling. They have not even started. They are just moving from using charcoal to LPG, while others have been using LPG and now moving to cleaner energy. Africa is just grappling to abandon biomass and at least use LPG. Gas cylinders zino tujja kola cylinders ezisookeddwako ziri miliyoni emu naye nga tetwetaaga miliyoni emu yokka. Naye eno ntandikwa kwe tugenda okukyusisa endowooza z'abantu. So mindset change kintu kikulu, era nebaza abakulembeze abazze wano guno omukolo. Please continue. I will request our partners, Stabex. We must organize functions similar to this to popularize usage of LPG. Today we are in Bugu. We want to go to another village where you are operating from. You facilitate that function. You come and you talk to the people, they see you, and you move around in the spirit of East Africa. Karibu. Karibu tena.